Article 12. Circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. The following are exempt from criminal liability. Number 1. An imbecile or insane person, unless the latter has acted during a lucid interval. When the imbecile or insane person has committed an act which the law defines as felony or delicto, the court shall order his confinement in one of his hospital or asylums established for person thus afflicted, which he shall be permitted to live without first obtaining the permission of the same court. Number 2. A person under 9 years of age. Number 3. A person over 9 years of age and under 15, unless he has act with discernment, in which case such minor shall be proceed against in accordance with the provision of Article 80 of this code. When such minor is adjudged to be criminally irresponsible, the court, no conformity with the provision of this in the preceding paragraph, shall commit him to care and custody of his family, when shall be charged with surveillance and education. Otherwise, he shall be committed to the care of some institution or person mentioned in Article 80. Number 4. Any person who, while performing a lawful act with due care, cause an injury by mere accident without fault or intention of causing it. Number 5. Any person who acts under the compulsion of irresistible force. Number 6. Any person who acts under the impulse of an uncontrollable fear of an equal or greater injury. Number 7. Any person who fails to perform an act required by law when prevented by some lawful insuperable cause.